How to turn the alarm on and off, how to set up the alarm on the iPhone 13. Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the alarm on and off, how to set up the alarm, how to get all that stuff set, all the options that it comes with. So how to find your alarm, it's going to be very simple. Go to the clock icon, it looks like this. Go ahead and select that. And when you are here in this icon, you might be set on world clock, timer, stopwatch. Make sure right down here at the bottom corner, you are set to alarm. Once we are on alarm, we're not going to hit setup. Setup is for like some sleeping cycle that they have. We're not going to be using that. Right up here at the top right hand corner, we're going to go ahead, hit the plus. And up here we are able to set the time. So whatever time you set, AM, PM, hour, minute, AM, PM, you can select the time. And then here it says repeat. So right now it's preset to never, meaning it'll just go off the one time and that is it. Let's say if this is a work alarm, you can go ahead and set it up, Monday through Friday or whatever days you work. Once you have that set, it'll tell you weekdays, or if it was set, let's say missing like a Wednesday, it'll say Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. It gives you the days, exact days that alarm is set for. Next, we have a label, which pretty much just means name. You can write whatever you want in here as your alarm, and then it'll save it as that. So if you had, let's say you work 2 jobs, and you can set it for job 1, job 2, or if you had, an appointment or something you had to set for, you could set in advance and set that up. So just kind of write what is for as a reminder. And then as far as the sound goes, there are a couple different options here. So first things first is vibration. You can set a vibration. So right now it's preset to synchronized. I'm just going to go ahead and hit heartbeat. I'm not sure if you guys were able to hear that, but it was vibrating. It has a different tone, so to speak. You can also set none. You can create a new vibration, go in there, a couple different settings there. So once that is set, you can add a tone from the tone store. You don't have to. If you have songs on your device, you can pick a song as well. There are a bunch of ringtones here that are already preset. So if you wanted a sound, you can, whatever you want for your alarm, you set it. If all you want is a vibration and no sound, maybe it's like, oh, class ends at this time, or I gotta leave class early and this is the time it ends every day to catch my next class, whatever it is, you could set your alarm and you could do none for no sound. It's just gonna be vibrating in your pocket until you turn it off, hit snooze, whatever. So we'll set it to that, and then right down here there's a snooze option. So I have not found a way to set a specific time. If any of you guys know how to set a specific time for 3-minute snoozes, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15, whatever, let me know. I believe it's preset to, I know on Samsung's it's about 5 minutes, and I'm not sure if it's 5 or 10 minutes on the iPhones. But what the snooze does is pretty much the phone goes off, you can hit snooze, or the alarm goes off, you can hit snooze, it'll go off again in 5 or 10 minutes, whatever that time frame is that's set. And if you don't want the snooze, it just goes off once and that's it. Like if you're leaving class, you just need it once. It's just a reminder, hey, you got to get going. Boom, goes off. You turn it off and then off you go. You can set that either snooze, yes or no. And then when you have it all set, everything looks good that you like, you go ahead and hit save. So you guys are gonna be able to see this here. It pops up, pretty much telling you that at this and this time, this name, these days, your alarm is set and it'll be going off. If, let's say, for that week you don't go to school or work or whatever you guys have going on, the alarm set for, you can go ahead and deselect it. It does not delete and remove that alarm. It just turns it off for that week, so you can come back and turn it back on. Let's say you wanted to edit this alarm. Go ahead and just tap on that number there and it takes you back to that screen. So let's say you got to wake up earlier, whatever it is, different days, you got a different shift, you can change it, everything here, and then you can just save it again. So, and if you wanted to completely get rid of the alarm, let's say you had 2 of them for something and you don't work that job or that shift or whatever anymore, you just need the one alarm, all you got to do is just press and hold on there, and right down here it'll say delete alarm. So that's the way to delete it. And let's say you wanted a second alarm, same thing, right up here top right hand corner, set your thing, set all these different settings, and then hit save. Now you have 2 alarms. You can toggle between one or the other, whatever. And if you just wanted to get rid of them, same thing, go in there and just delete them. So there you guys have it. That is my quick tutorial on how to set up an alarm, how to turn the alarm on and off, all the settings on the alarm on this iPhone 13. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you know anybody looking for this information, please do share it with them. And if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 series, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.